Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up heart rate alerts during your activity. So that means it'll alert you if your heart rate hits a certain threshold. This includes a low threshold and a high threshold. So you want to keep your heart rate between 130 and 150. You can have an alert set for when you hit 120 when you're not running hard enough maybe, or if you go up to 180 and you're running a little bit too hard. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is hit the GPS button to go into the activities. I'm going to use the GPS button to select the run activity, but you can make these same changes in any activity and you'll be able to have the heart rate alert. Alright, so I'll select run right now. Once we get in run, you just need to select the menu button to go up to the options, and then we can go down to run settings. After that, we can go down to alerts using the ABC button and then select it using GPS. We're going to have to add a new alert, so we'll just select new. Once we're in here, select the type heart rate. So once we get in here, as you can see, the first thing we're doing is high alert. So this will be the alert for when your heart rate has gotten too high. You can select some of these pre-configured ones, or you can even do a custom heart rate. I'll do custom, and I'll say 180. And then now we're selecting the low alert. So I'm going to do easy, which is going to be between 110 and 129. So now, as you can see, I've created the heart rate alert to alert me if I get below 110 and then to alert me if I get above 180. We can also select into that and see more information, even customize it further. So you can see the high alert, the low alert. If I wanted to change the low alert, we can do threshold right here and it'll be 147. You can also delete the alert by doing remove. That's how you set a heart rate alert during activities on your Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.